Alright, so coding, alright. Yeah, I don't know, like, I'm just gonna go crazy here. So, I'm gonna go through CodingBat's warmups. And now I'm at front back. So, this isn't gonna be like a tutorial or anything like that. I'm just gonna be coding just straightforward from here. If you guys have any questions or something like that, you know, just send me an email, give me like a time frame, like, or what problem it is, and I'll help you out. But I'm just trying to get this done already, you know. So anyway, so I already started a little bit. So front back, yeah. So given a string, return a new string where the first and last charts have been exchanged. So first of all, if the string length is less than 1, then I'm just gonna return the string. You know, simple as that. Otherwise, I'm gonna do some stuff. Alright, what am I gonna do? So it's just the front and the last one, right? Okay. Well, I can simply do this right here, right? Chart x is equal to, let's see how that chart at 0. Chart y is going to be str.chart at 1. So now, like, I have the front and back, pretty simple. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to compile the string. That's going to be too hard. I'm going to change these to strings. I'm pretty sure I could get away with doing this. I'm going to go for a run liner. It's going to be, plus str dot a string to str dot length minus 1. Let me add another condition just real quick. So go to 2 str. You think there's a way I could reverse it? I wonder if there's a method that allows that. That'd be kind of cool. Plus alright, that one should work too. So now this one's assuming that the string is greater than a length of 3. So baby. Alright. This might give me an out of bounds area. I think it would. Or CR length is gonna give me so 0, 1, 2, say it's already at 3. Alright, let me see what happens. Yeah, I got an exception. Yeah, I know why too. Huh. ODC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Should I just do it easily? Nah. Let me see. What if I do? Well, I just got an exception, so for sure I gotta do like minus 1 right here, and then this one would be minus 2. CO. Alright, that sounds right. Oh, I know why. I gotta switch this up a bit. So this would be length. There we go. What the fuck? Here you go. 10. Alright. I wasn't recording. No. I just use that for the timer because the screen recorder I'm using right now doesn't have a timer, so I just use the regular camera's like timer on it. See how long I was like coding and stuff. Let's move on to the next one now. Alright. Let's fix on my light. Alright, given a string, we'll say that the front is the first three chars of the string. If the string length is less than 3, the front is whatever is there. Return a new string which is 3 copies of the front. 3 copies of the front. Okay, cool. That's it, just 3. So, given a string, we'll say that the front is the first 3 chars of the string. Okay. CR is less than 0 or less than 3. Alright, so cool. If it's less than 3, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna return str that substring 0 to str dot length. Okay, I'm gonna do this 3 times. So not too sure if I need parentheses or not. Return. Oh, it's basically gonna be the same thing. 3 times. Oh, no. Yeah, this was wrong. I should have done just 3. What? Where am I getting an exception? Oh, something's expected. What are you talking about? Line 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's wrong, right? Oh, okay. I have a little extra one. Bam. Cool. Easy peasy. Given a string, take the last char and return a new string with the last char added at the front. Did I just do this one? Weird flex. Okay. Given a string, take the last char and return a new string with the last char added to the front. Added at the front and back. Okay, I could do it. STR. Go to 1. return what am I doing here? That should work. Wait, hold on. So give me a string, take the last char, and return a new string with the last char at the front and back. Oh, okay. So oh, 0, yeah. Char at 0. Perfect. Alright, cool. What's this gonna do? Alright, cool. It's gonna be easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Alright, I wanna see if I can make this work on the first try. So if the length is equal to 1, I'm gonna just, yeah, this should work. I'm gonna add the first letter with that one letter, and then the first letter again. It's gonna give me this. Easy. This is gonna give me, hopefully it's gonna give me the O right here. And then, yeah, alright, whatever. Yep, all correct. First try, cool. Okay. Return true if the given non-negative number is a multiple of 3 or a multiple of 5. Use the modulo operator. Return true if the given non-negative number is a multiple of 3 or a multiple of 5. Okay. I want to use a one-liner. I forgot what it's called actually. What is it? It's an operation. It goes like that. It's not called the modulo operator. Definitely not. I think it's Tipperman operator, something like that. Modular. It's not the modulus either. What is it? Operator. Let me see. Oh no. It's like. See, maybe Java. Let's see. Maybe it's right here. No, it's not these either. It's arithmetic. Nope. What's it called? It's a. If anyone in chat could tell me, please and thank you. Oh, I think it's this one, ternary. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, forgot to use it though. Yeah, okay. Case that equal. Yeah, alright, cool. We're gonna use this just because it looks cool. The case is gonna be if n mod 3 is equal to 0, or if n mod 5 is equal to 0, we're gonna return true, otherwise return false. Bam. Why didn't this work? Let me see. Or maybe I just put true, and here I just put false. Yeah, perfect. So this is called the ternary operator. So you just add this right here. This is this must be a Boolean operation. It has to be like a case. And then if that's true, if this case is successful, it would return the first whatever is right here. This is what it'll do. Oh, I don't want to say condition because I'm pretty sure you could do operations here too. And same thing. And then if not, it'll do this part. Okay. Given a string, take the first two chars and return this string with the two chars added at both the front and back. So Kildin use if the string is less than 2, use whatever chars are there. Okay. I'll take the first two chars and return the string with the two chars added at the front and back. Okay, well let's say hypothetically that the string, if the string is less than 2, use whatever chars are there. Okay. If it's less than or equal to 2. Am I still recording? Yeah, bet. Cool. We're gonna return what are we gonna return? We're gonna return something, of course. If it's less than or equal to 2, we're just gonna return str. Just twice, right? Basically. str plus str. Oh, and the front and back, right? So just str, so 3 times. Yeah, perfect. If not, what we're gonna do is we're gonna return str. That's to the front and back, right? Substring. Or that isn't right. This song's raw. Alright, cool. Yeah, so alright. That was easy. Next. Oh, it is a warm up, right? So given a string, return true if the string starts with hi and false otherwise. We're gonna use a ternary operator. str that's equals true, false otherwise. Oh, yeah, alright, yeah. Correct. Oh, if it's less than that, yeah, true. Perfect. Let's go. Keep going. Given two temperatures, return true if one is less than 0 and the other is greater than 100. Given two temperatures. Return true if one is less than 0 and the other is greater than 100. Return true if one is less than 0 and the other is greater than 100. If one is less than 0, alright, easy. So, temp 1 is less than temp 1 is greater than 100, or temp 2 is greater than 100. Alright, we're gonna return true, otherwise false. Perfect. Let's keep going. Given two integer values, return true if either of them is in the range 10 to 20 exclusive. 10 to 20 inclusive? If either of them? Okay. 10 to 20. Perfect. Inclusive. If A is greater than or equal to 10 and less than is less than or equal to 20, or if I'm gonna copy and paste this. Alright. If A is greater than or equal to 10, okay. Alright, let's keep going. We say that a number is teen if it is in the range 13, 19 inclusive. Given three integer values, return true if one or more of them are teen. We say that a number is teen if it is in the range 13, 19 inclusive. Given three integer values, return true if one or more. Oh, there's three of them now. God. Okay, let's keep going with the one-liners. Alright. So if A is less than or is greater than or equal to 13, or if A is less than or equal to 19. And I'm going to copy paste this again. Gotta save some time, you know. That's not N. It's like one of the two, right? If one or more, so it just has to be one or more. Or true, false. Why did this return false, huh? For 220. It didn't hold up for my C variable. Why? It worked for these. It didn't work for this one either. So say this hits false, right? Then this one should work too, hypothetically. If B is greater than or equal to 13, just one of these conditions have to hit in order for this to work. 11, 22, 22. This when I ran this, I got true when I should have got false completely. 100%. Should have got false there. But I got true somehow. Because C is greater than or equal 13. Oh, I know. I gotta change these up. Yeah. And then it'll work. It has to be in between. Yep. I'll say that a number given 2. Okay. Well, we'll say that a number is teen if it is in the range 13, 19 exclusive, given 2 integer values, they turn true if one of them or the other is teen but not both. So return. Oh, not both. One or the other. Okay, so here I'm going to use the exclusive or XOR, right? If A is less than or equal to 13. Greater than or equal to 13. And if A is less than or equal to 19. XOR, same thing. Not both. True, false, let's go. Given a string, if the string del appears starting at index 1, return a string where that del has been deleted. Otherwise, return the string unchanged. Given a string, if the string del appears starting at index 1, return a string where that del has been deleted. If the string del appears starting at index 1, return the string where that del has been deleted. Otherwise, return the string unchanged. Cool. One-liners for days. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Return string where that del has been deleted. And I wish I studied a little bit more on regex. I could have probably just deleted it easily. Any case, we're just gonna do str substring. Yeah, we just do this. That's it, right? Oh no. Oh no, I gotta do the false one, right? And if it's false, you just return the string. Return str. So, where is this at? Oh, no, wait, what? Got a 4. Did I do str that length? Oh, I forgot to do -1. Did I? Add. Should have just returned the string unchanged. Alright. Oh, right. Okay. There's a condition here. Basically, str.length is less than 4. You know when you assume you make an ass out of you, not me. I'm just assuming. Sometimes I just assume that the length is like a specific size or something like that. So here I'm gonna return just str. Yeah. Return true if the given string begins with the mix, except the m can be anything. So pix, nix, all counts. Okay, easy. Return contains ix. Right. So what if there's, alright, I'm assuming, see, here I go assuming, I'm assuming there'll be a space right here. Then I'm gonna return true, otherwise I'm gonna return false. Why didn't this work? Oh, because there's no space right there. I mean, if these are the cases, I mean, I could just do that and it'll work. You know? Well, I must. Alright, so in these cases, there's always a space after the I and X. So I'm curious if the string was as so. I don't know, A, B, C, D, R, X, E. I wonder if that would return true or false. Well, why don't I look at the solution, right? See what happens here. Check if string is too small. So, substring below does not go off the end. If str.length is less than 3, it will return false. Pull out length 2 string for the IX part. If 2 not equals IX. Interesting. Alright, let's keep on going. Given a string, return a string made of the first two chars if present. However, include first char only if it is, and include the second only if it is. So, Aussie Madness yields OZ. Given a string, return a string made up of the first two chars if present. However, include first char only if it is O, and include the second only if it is Z. So, Aussie Madness yields Aussie is OZ. Include first char only. .str.char. Oh. Alright. Is equal to not 0, 1. Assuming that's this long, right? Alright, let me see. I'm not gonna get caught off guard. So if the length is equal to 1, I'm just gonna return str. This case, return. Okay, return substring 0, 2. Return dot char at 0 plus st. Alright, now. Perfect. Alright, so say that okay. So vestibular chart at 1 is equivalent to character Z. We're just gonna return str. We're gonna return Z. Plus Otherwise, we're just gonna return the string. What do I get here? Okay, less than or equal to 1, it's gonna take care of this. I got an index out of bounds right here. Why? Let's see what happens when I do this. Still get the index out of bounds. Line 10. Wait, what? Oh, I'm supposed to return an empty string? Oh. So, you just return... Okay. I didn't know that. Okay. I should have probably read it a little bit better, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, so now I just gotta deal with this index out of bound thing. So... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one. Oh, that's why. Just gotta do 1. Perfect. Let's keep going. Giving 3 integer values A, B, C, return the largest. The largest. I'm gonna use a for loop. So is equal. Or can I use the module operator here, maybe? I don't know. We're gonna say it's equal to A. Go 0 so long as no. Create an array too. Sorry, it's like, what time is it? It's 2:09 here. My mind isn't 100% here. So if L is less than xi, O is equal to xi, return L. Bam. Let's keep going. Actually, I want to see the solution. Yeah, I did not want to do all that. I was just like, giving 2 integer values. I've been coding for 38 minutes. Okay, so I still got a lot of time. Alright, let's do it. Given 2 integer values, return whichever value is nearest to the value 10 or return 0 in the event of a tie. Note that math.abs returns the absolute value of a number. I'm gonna look this up. This is the second time I've seen it today. I don't know what it does. Okay, the child of the line. It returns, yeah, yep, I already know that. If the argument is not negative, the argument is returned. If the argument is negative, the negation of the argument is returned. Let me see. Okay, so D is negative 999.3456. What is that? That's C. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Huh. If it's negative, it returns negative. It's actually funny though. Longs return that. What do integers return? So if int e is negative 1, 2, 3, what's it gonna return? Positive 1, 2, 3. And it's gonna return 0. Longs are gonna return GH, the last two. Huh. Alright, anyway, what does that have to do with this though? Return whichever value is nearest to the value 10 or return 0 in the event of a tie. Given 2, return whichever value is nearest to the value 10. Oh. Okay. So in this one will return 8 because 8 is closer to 10. Is that true? 9, 10, yeah. Oh yeah, it is clearly. 13 minus 3 is 10. 8 plus 2 is 10, so that. How can I do this? I could say that. How can I do it in one line? That's really the question. So. Say I do a minus 10. Alright, do a minus 10. No. Well, there is a way you could do it too, which would be this way. You get this. Right, you start at 8. So, wait, hold on. Okay. If A is greater than, I'm just gonna like do something. I don't want to say it's crazy, but it's just a little. It's more complex than this problem. Like even S, but I am kind of tired and I don't exactly want to try too hard. So I'm gonna do this. If A is greater than 10, I don't like doing that either. Okay. Return whichever value is nearest. Alright, so first of all, if A is greater than 10 and B is greater than 10, and B is less than A. So on this condition, if this is true, we're gonna return B. Okay. If not, so we're just gonna take this right here. Do that. We're gonna change this up. We're gonna return A. Okay. 44 minutes. Nice. Alright. Oh, what's next? So now, this. Right, so say this is less than 10. This is less than 10. And if A is greater than B, we're gonna return true. No, not true. We're gonna return A. Right. Take this condition as well. Let's put it right here. B, A, return B. Return 0. This means it's a tie. Let's try it. So this should return 8. So if A, no, yeah, so these don't work for that exact reason, X, Y. Okay, like if A is equal to 10, right? You're just gonna return A. Bruh. This is totally not efficient. Return B, right? What other things we got? What other cases can I think of? Oh, what other cases are shown? One is greater than the other. Or like this works for most. Did I mess up a few? Maybe. I don't know. And yeah, see these are all different, so okay, A is equal to 10 minus. I'm pretty sure I could have just done this, but literally 10 minus B. But what if like B is greater than like that? That's what I'm saying. So like, okay, if A is greater than 10, you're gonna do 10 minus A is equal to A minus 10. Okay, say that's true. Alright. Hold up, I'm gonna do something. If B is less than, if A is less than 10, what you're gonna do is you're gonna do A is equal to 10 minus A. Right? We'll do the same thing with B now. And then I'm just gonna return whichever one is like largest. I'm gonna delete all this and just do that. What happened here? Da, da, da. Okay, word. If A is equal to, I should have left that in. If A is equal to 10. Return true, return A. If B is equal to 10, no. Return B. Alright, so what am I doing here? So hypothetically, say A is greater than 10 and B is less than 10, right? hypothetically speaking. Would I just return like whichever one seems to be closer then? Yeah, essentially. I mean, but like, how would I? Would it be the one that's less than or greater than? I don't know. Let's see. Return if A is less than B. Or, I don't know. If A is less than B, return A. Else if B is less than A, return B. Else return 0. Uh, is it cool? Is it working out? What? Oh yeah, I'm supposed to wait. Ah, God, I'm supposed to return the original one, right? Okay. Let's do temp1. Temp1 is equal to 0. Temp2 is equal to 0. Right. Should do it up there. Let's go. Gotta fix this up. Easy peasy. It didn't work. What the heck? Easy now. Why did it hit 13? Why did it hit 13? If A is greater than 10, you're gonna do A minus 10. If A is less than 10, you're gonna do 10 minus A. If B is greater than 10, you're gonna do B minus 10. Temp 1, temp 2, B is less than 10. Is this right? If B is less than 10? Yeah, this is right too. So if temp 1 is less than temp 2. Oh. Should have got 0. So 13 and 7. And this should be even. Let me get my trusty handy calculator out real quick. See what I'm doing wrong. A. So in this case, A is 13, right? So 13 minus 10 will yield 3. And then 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. If temp 1 is less than temp 2, you return A. Else, if temp 2 is less than temp 1, you return B. Aww. Is it not returning 0? What if I do that? Suffer all your money goes. Alright, I gotta put the big boy pants on. Alright, let's figure this out. Okay, start all over again. If A is equal to 10, right, we're just gonna return okay, we could probably even get away with it if we just do is equal to 10, we're just gonna return 10. Okay. Oh my god, I know like a really good way to do this. It'll be so much easier. I mean, I don't know about easier, but should I just do it? I'm just gonna do it. All right. So if A is greater than 10, we're gonna do a for loop here. For int I is equal to 10, so long as I is less than, greater than 10, I plus plus. Okay, what's gonna go on in here? We're gonna count the number of iterations it's gonna take. Counts 0. When all else fails, just throw everything in a loop. No, don't do that. Alright, count. I didn't write this right, hold up. This one is. Alright, say if B is greater than 10, we're just gonna do the same thing, just with B. I'd copy this right too, no. Count 2 plus plus. No, wait, this doesn't make sense. This would be I, A, this would be B. Okay. And we'd return whichever one is less between the two. Okay, let's copy this. I'll copy that. So we're gonna change the sign up. I'll change a lot up actually. So for this one, we're still gonna start off at A, as long as 10 I plus plus. But the thing with this one is, it still be whichever one's less. Return whichever one is less. If count 1 is greater than count 2, just one liner. Count 1 is less than count 2. Or what if it's equal to? What if it's the same thing? You gotta deal with that case, right? Yeah. If count 1 is equal to count 2, we return 0. Else, we're gonna return this. If count 1 is less than count 2, we're gonna return count 1. Otherwise, you're gonna return count 2. Alright, I'm gonna get some errors. It didn't. Wow. And again, error, but it didn't work for some reason. I got 2. Oh. A, B, right? Yep. didn't work for this one though. Why do you return 0? If A is equal to 10, is someone looking at this? Look, hello? If A is equal to 10 or if B is equal to 10, you return 10. Oh. Oh, they're tied. Oh. Oh. Wait. Huh. That's a weird flex. Really weird flex. Okay. I don't know, but this works if you just do this. I'll tell you this right now. If A is equal to 10, and if B is equal to 10, you just return 0, because it is a tie. I wonder why this returned 10 though. Oh, because I know why. It returned 10 because this condition is right here. So if I want this one to work this way, I'd have to put that condition up here. BB? Fuck. Oh, what's this thing? Correct. Oh, what time is it? I'm gonna call it a night right here. This is about an hour of programming. So the reason why I made this video is just to showcase my thought process. Yeah, so this is my thought process, and this is how I code. Ooh, in this situation, in this setting, I don't exactly code like this. I could come up with some pretty good solutions if I really like put my head into it. But like I said, these are just warm-ups, and I just wanted to get these done. Yeah, I wonder what the solution was for this one anyway. If A dip, oh, this one's so much simpler. Oh, but they used this thing right here, huh? I guess that's how it works. Like I did not understand this when I read it for a second. This is something I kind of have to look at myself, like off camera, to understand. But yeah, alright, cool. It wasn't too bad, honestly. Dang, this is so much simpler. I have to study this right here. I'm pretty sure I could pick it up like really quickly, just like on camera. It's like something else, you know. Alright, well, yeah, this is it right here. Have a good night, or good morning, good afternoon, evening. I don't know wherever you're from. Just enjoy your day, or night, or evening, or afternoon. Alright. Alright. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them in the comment section or send me an email.